mankind's greatest inventions together at last. If you haven't seen it, the video iPad plus Velcro by Jessee Rosten is awesome. Check it out. We've got a link up to that in the show notes if you want a second viewing.
Yeah, or a third, or in my case, a fourth or a fifth. I thought it hit truly awesome when he mounted it on the wall. I'm off to the giant Velcro section of my local hardware store tonight.
Did you see the video of the iPad in the kitchen cabinets? So they made it like a kitchen PC where they could just like have recipes right up on their cabinet. They totally tore up their entire kitchen to build it. Not entire kitchen, but you know what I mean.
Obviously, we'll have to find a link to that one.
It was pretty awesome.